camera just is low on battery, so it stopped my video automatically for some reason. Okay, when it does that, that might be a part 2, part 3, part 4, I don't know. Let's just see how long it takes and stuff. And then I guess I'm going to play with it. A little stuff. So yeah. Whoa! I'm going to show the camera that big tower over there. Whoa, isn't that huge? Okay, now let's just catch up because he's waiting now. I can't start off in deep sand, so I'm just going to go kind of wobbly for a minute. That's okay. Hope you don't mind. Oh, a little pocket. Okay. Hold on! I'm coming! Hold on! You see, we're at the river now because, yeah, we're really close to the river now because we just took our journey to the river. So now we're at the river because, yeah. I'm going to put the phone in my hand and record the river out here, so yeah. It's not really for swimming, I guess. I think it's just for animals and wildlife and stuff. I think it's a man-made river, I don't know. I'm not sure though. I'm gonna have to cross this steep ridge. My dad. Gonna move our bike. So yeah. Dad, wait. My dad's gonna have to move my bike across this ridge. If you can. Could you give me a little help here? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. I've done a good job not falling here. Oh, I'm not going to do a good job on this one. This is deep sand, and I cannot ride in deep sand. So I'm just going to have to, I can go ride over the deep sand with this stuff. So, okay. Okay, I think the deep sand is over. So, we may ride now. Look over there. It's really pretty out here. There's also tires scattered around here. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, we're moving now. We're moving. Oh man, this thing is steep. So it's going to be kind of tumbling. Oh man, that was close. Oh man, this thing. Okay. Okay, this is so deep sand. It's like medium. And there's flying insects everywhere. This stupid flying insects. They're all over me. Help! Ah! I need to close my eyes. Don't want them getting in it. Ah, they're landing in my hair. Okay, okay. This is irritating. I bet you can see the flying insects everywhere. I don't know what they are because they're moving too fast. And they're landing in my hair. It's getting really irritating. They're buzzing around my face. Literally, they're making booze. Okay, so I think there's no more here because we just got out of all the planes. Wow! Oh my gosh. That was stupid. And I can't believe I just did that on camera. So, yeah. If you like seeing me fail, you might want to keep watching because I believe I'm going to fail. Oh, I just failed again. That's okay. Man, my dad's way in front of me. I gotta catch up real quick. Let's try to get out of this deep sand. It's really bad. I'm sorry for doing this on YouTube. Okay. I'm very sorry. Look, he's waiting for me. I need to just try to get out of this deep sand. And the madness will be over soon. I hope. Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. Oh! This deep sand is making me stuck in this mud. Oh, I can't do it. Okay. just gonna move it myself. I know you can't see the river yet, because all these trees are blocking it. But me and my daddy are gonna go through an entrance. Dad! Dad! Can we go through that one entrance over there? Where we took Louie and he just wandered off everywhere? Okay. Let's just go. As you can see, there's no more deep sand. This might be bumpy sand and stuff. Okay, it's not so bumpy. Oh, it's okay. I can't believe it's been 6 minutes already. Time goes by fast on this one. So yeah, it thinks itself. It's not a smartphone. It doesn't have that much fun. It's an Android, because I don't necessarily have a camera that records sound. My old camera doesn't have batteries, and it's really old, and it doesn't record sound. The videos are pretty weird looking. And the videos are pretty weird looking on this one, too. Dad, can we go through the entrance? Whoa. This is all weird. Okay, we're heading somewhere. We're heading down big hill. I'm not gonna make it. I'm just gonna pedal. Then I'm just gonna walk it down. Whoa, deep sand is terrible. I hate deep sand. I like it at the beach, but not when I'm riding my bike. And we live in Arizona, so it's really, really hot and stuff. But it's cold right now, but it's just warmed up. So yeah, and we're near a lake. I'm not gonna tell you where my location is. I'm just gonna tell you which state I live in. So yeah, or country. I don't know. I get mixed up with countries and states. Okay, this isn't history class. You know, get on. Okay, this is Bumpy Rock. Bumpy. Ooh, I've never been down here before. I think this is the backwards entrance. Anyway, backwards entrance is better than the real entrance. And I don't know, I guess it's cooler. Oh gosh, I hope my camera doesn't end suddenly. Okay, are we at the entrance? There it is, remember? When we took Louie? Okay. We've never been down here before, so let's explore. And this is soft sand. Oh my gosh, the soft sand. Cannot ride on it. So I'm just gonna have to walk it, like my dad is doing. Because I don't think he can ride in deep sand either. The soft sand feels good, even though I'm wearing shoes. Or boots, whatever you want to call them. Okay. Oh, look! The lake! Oh. Anyway. Ooh. Let me put the camera close to a butterfly. Hold on. Aw, dang it! There was a beautiful butterfly right there. Get off my bike. We only got a little bit of seconds left. Then the camera ended. And unexpectedly,